And again, ito, message din ito sa isang abangers ko, birthday ng asawa niya. It's for one of my followers. His wife's birthday for tomorrow. Happy birthday to your wife tomorrow. Luis from hashtag number 7. Happy birthday to your wife. And I hope many birthday more. And thank you for following me. And thank you always supporting me. And thank you so much. And happy birthday, Luis, to your wife from hashtag number 5. And thank you so much and have a good day. And of course, you have your cake already for tomorrow. So enjoy your cake. Even walang handa, okay lang yan. Basta mahal lang kayo lahat. So, magmahalan lang kayo dalawa. That's what I mean. Sige. Anyhow, happy birthday and have a good day, guys. And thank you. Happy birthday, Luis, your wife, to your wife from hashtag number 7. Happy birthday. Thank you.